Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing a swipe today on a pour that I did not like. The colors I'm using are right there on the left side. If you want to hit pause, take a picture. I'm also going to put it in the description. For the swipe, it's really easy. You're just putting paint in the middle and you're taking paper towels, spraying the paper towels down and swiping it. Let me know what you think of the video. I'm going to go ahead and hit the mute button and put some music on for you guys to enjoy. And thank you so much for watching. See you at the end for the results and let me know what you think and what I should call this. I'm not really sure what I should call it.
On the road, headed back to New Orleans, driving in the country past old-timey scenes. Big birds were singing in the tall willow trees, mighty fine. 3 words written on a paper bag, I miss you, was written in a message in black, thrown in a van 2,000 miles back, a better time. And how many souls and times that I've told of places that I'd wanna be, and how many days when I could have stayed instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. A long coat, walking on a New York street, a pack of crushed cigarettes that fell to her feet. Well, ain't it odd how some people meet, but that's the truth. And 2 pictures buried in a guitar case, underneath the music sheets all over the place. I caught a glimpse of the sweetest girl's face I ever knew. And how many souls and times that I've told of places that I'd like to be, and how many days when I could have stayed instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. And all the days from now to then, if they never seem to come or to go, will find me in your memories that keep you from getting so low. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. Down the line, we'll meet up down the line. Down the line. Staying at home, turn off the phone, I will listen to you. You lay in the sheets, you hold on to me like I'm already gone, and whisper your words like secrets written in an old moleskin. Look up above, the sunlight seems like it is gonna break in, and something ain't right. Yeah, something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. shirt, wearing the skirt that my mother gave to you. I come up behind you and kiss on the side of your neck a few, and turn off the lights. The stars in the sky are turning so clear, and without the words, the feelings unheard can still be just as sincere. But something's not right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Walking the leaves under the trees without any shoes on, and holding my hand to spin you around, and I sing you a song, taking a breath like taking yourself to the hospital. And I feel okay, almost the same, but I know I'm not healed, and something ain't right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right.
Here's this piece all dry and hanging up on my wall. I just love it. I love the way the gold metallic reflects from the light. It's just really beautiful. Let me know what you think, what I should name this. I will definitely get this scanned and added to my site. And my website is flowingwithamy.com. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.